We understand that the ever-evolving human-computer interaction, from informationization to the Internet of Things, is driving rapidly societal changes. We recognize that the emergence of intelligent manufacturing, from automation to digitalization, presents unique opportunities. Established in 2011, Shanghai Shugao is dedicated to providing turnkey projects and solutions in the pharmaceutical engineering, dairy and beverage, pet food, and prepackaged food industries. Our primary core machines include tubular sterilizer, direct UHT with steam infusion injection, aseptic tank system, cookie emulsification tank, meat pre-processing system equipment, enzymatic cooking tanks for multifunctional mixing and shearing, bioreactors, fermenters. Through years of dedicated cultivation, Shugao has made significant progress. In this upward trajectory, our progression extends from our marketing center in Shanghai headquarters to our R&D and production base in Zhejiang. A total investment of 510 million, we have shifted from offering equipment and system solutions to acquiring essential in-house developed and produced modular production capabilities. With extensive experience in design, research and development, manufacturing, and installation, we possess deep know-how and ensure efficient implementation. We wholeheartedly embrace the advancements in intelligent manufacturing technology, empowering a wide range of companies and delivering exceptional experiences and added value to meet the unique needs of our customers. Every second we serve our customers, we strive to alleviate their burdens and solve all their problems. From customized solutions to increased production efficiency and reduced operating costs, every step we take lives up to our customers' expectations. Accumulation is a mindset, while subtraction is a mission. Data is constantly evolving, but our focus remains unwavering. We precisely assist enterprises in reducing costs and increasing efficiency in the production process, achieving an efficient economy and sustainable development. We adhere to our original intention and prioritize production safety. Every inspection becomes simple, thanks to our strict control at every step. Providing tailored solutions for our customers has always been our pursuit. We approach every project with utmost seriousness.
Hello and welcome to the Shugao office in Shanghai. Shugao are designers and fabricators of the highest quality sanitary process systems. Our vast experience benefits companies in attaining compliant and the most efficient system for the manufacture of their product. Our customer base has expanded rapidly throughout the Asia-Pacific region, along with other parts of the world. We look forward to meeting you and discussing your ongoing project needs.
树告作为中国液态食品领域智能制造、智能装备的先锋，将为中国民族液态食品行业贡献我们的力量，将为中国液态食品的质量安全保驾护航。
欢迎五湖四海的朋友来到美丽的浙江树高参观指导，感谢。
Fueled by intelligence, we forge ahead with our eyes on the future. Shugao Mechanical and Electrical, pioneering the intelligent manufacturing.